otimore South Sea. Ringre chuk dar manyo chawito ngimane e orofa ma South Sea gikone to oiki e kar iko Malang'ata Cemetery Nairobi. Mana kaka jafombo marwa Walter Nyambagalero ma timore ka chuk dar machielo to podi manyo ndalo auchiel bang' orofa no ruombore piny kuomgi.
E kar kano ringre ma City Mortuary e kaunti ma Nairobi, ringre chuk dar moyange ni Ali Adan mayande owito ngimane e orofa ma South Sea mane oruombore tich abich mokalo, kendo ochom godo ma Moscow Masjid Jur ma South Sea kendo bagni alam. Dakika machuok to ringre chuk dar no kowe kar kano ringre Malang'ata Cemetery ne kopo mogik.
Leo tuko kwa mazishi hapa, kijana ambaye ametolewa jana kwa hiyo nyumba anaitwa Ali Edin. Tumemzika sahi.
Today we are here to bury one of them. Unfortunately, the other one we're still struggling, but we are quite happy with the effort of government. To the best of their ability, the ministers have been there to try to see how best they can, retrieve the body, because definitely we cannot expect that person to be alive by this time. So we are happy with the progress, but we also want to appeal to the government that in a situation like this, we want to appeal for assistance. The families, both of them are very young families.
Magiti mureka menyo mar chuk dar machielo nyono odiochienge mar auchiel. Ka seneta Mohamed Chute to kod kuru ya Tani kwayo serikal mondo med tinga machielo mondo nywak tich.
Na wale watu wamekuja mazishi, familia wamekaa huko siku 4 na shida nyingi, wamechoka. Kwa niaba ya watu ya Marsabit nasema poleni sana. Ile kitu naomba, tumepata maiti moja tumezika leo. Tungetaka sana serikali ifanye juhudi. Watu wametoka mbali, wanaongojea hiyo maiti patikane. Hiyo maiti ikifanywa bidii, mashini ikiongezwa, tunaweza kupata hiyo maiti ikiwezekana leo, itatusaidia sana. Vile mnavyojua Waislamu waweze kuwekwa sana, ndio maana leo ndugu yetu amezikwa. Tungetaka hata hiyo akipatikana tupate nafasi ya kumzika kama ako hai. Ni ngumu sana saa hii kwa sababu ya muda.
MCA South Sea Abbas Khalif yango ni sikunde ma podolor kaluore kod masira no ibiro yaw tarik 12 mar juma manyien.
Yeah, we talked to the school. We are going to open school on 12th because when they open tomorrow, the kids will be focused only here. They can't learn. So I talked to the school. We open on Monday on 12th.
As we noticed this morning, that road, the access road is inaccessible to pedestrians, to other users. We hope something will be done to make the place free. And if there are any institution or institutions that are affected as a result of the accident, let government act with speed to facilitate operation and normal life to commence. And that's my appeal today. Particularly schools are open now. We need to be careful that we do not inconvenience the learners.
Ofab kich bendo yango ni familia midusa mar orofa no to kod wuon orofa no kende ema osendiko dhogi ka obila. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.